Tired of the same old look for your Android apps? Let's transform your home screen into a personalized masterpiece. Right now, your app icons probably look like everyone else's, but we're going to change that, and it's surprisingly easy. The key to changing your app icons lies in using a third-party launcher for this tutorial. We'll be using a popular one that's free and powerful, so first, tap and hold on an empty space on your home screen. You'll see a menu pop-up. Look for the Settings or Home Settings option and tap on it. This will take you into the launcher's customization menu. Within the launcher settings, you'll find options for personalizing your icons. The most common way is by using icon packs. Icon packs are special apps available on the Google Play Store that contain a collection of custom icons. Search for icon packs on the Play Store, and you'll find thousands of different styles, from minimalist to artistic. Once you find one you like, go ahead and install it, just like any other app. Now, back in your launcher settings, select the icon pack you just installed. You should see it appear in the list of available options. And just like that, your app icons have a brand new look. You can switch between different icon packs anytime you want to refresh your device's aesthetics. This simple trick allows you to express your personality and create a truly unique visual experience on your Android device. So go ahead, explore the world of icon packs, and make your Android phone or tablet truly your own.